Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the Code Along With Me program. This program provides a unique opportunity to beginner to intermediate level software programmers as well as university students taking computer courses to participate in the implementation of an end-to-end data warehouse project. The program will cover all aspects from designing to ETL to reporting and analytics. Let's look at the program in a little more detail. Step 1 would be to analyze the business requirements. Based on the understanding that we develop together, we would proceed to step 2, which is designing the data model. This would involve creating the conceptual, logical, physical, dimensional models using the Erwin data modeling tool. Once the data model has been designed and implemented in the SQL Server database, we would create the source to target mappings which are needed for the development of the ETL workflows. The next step would then be to create the ETL workflows. We would be doing this using the SQL Server Integration Services, or in short, the SSIS tool. Once the data has been loaded through our ETL processes into the data warehouse, we would proceed to the creation of reports needed by the business users. The development task for reports would be achieved using the SQL Server Reporting Services, or the SSRS tool. As we proceed through all these activities, we will be writing live code and you as participants will be writing the code along with me. So don't miss this opportunity. The registration fee is an affordable USD 20. You can register by sending an email to learn.knowstar@gmail.com. With all this excitement and learning in store, we definitely hope to see you on September 7th and 8th at 9 to 11 AM EDT.